This is AB900 Spirit Fitness Airbike. It's been around for about 4 years now, and it's still known to be one of the cheapest good quality commercial grade airbikes that you can actually buy into a professional club. It's about €1,000 with good warranty and spare parts available. Airbike enthusiasts know these torture machines mainly from CrossFit clubs rather than private homes and residential use. The airbike is simple, sturdy, very efficient and unfortunately loud. The footwork is like on a normal push bike, with the handwork pushing handles like on the elliptical. But contrary to the elliptical, the airbike gives more support and allows more muscle power more efficiently. The resistance source is a fan with amazingly easy automatic power adjustment. There is no switches, no controls, just push harder and the resistance becomes more difficult. This makes the AB900 a perfect machine for interval training. You can ride it as hard as possible, use full power without causing any damage to the machine or yourself. You don't need any skills or techniques. It's a foolproof workout tool. The maintenance is rarely required and very easy to do, just like in a road bike. You can swap the pedals and the seat with a street bike gear if you want. The seat is fully regulated vertically and horizontally, and it will accommodate very short or a very tall person. The chain can be replaced or fixed by your local bicycle repairman. The handles have a double grip system to accommodate users of different sizes, and additional foot pegs can be used when training the upper body. The whole construction is very stable, with wide adjustable fit, solid steel frame equipped with transport wheels. The windshield, made of plastic, fits the color and looks like it was made of steel. It gives great wind protection, keeps the user warm, but can be quickly removed when it gets too warm. All the workout parameters can be viewed on a simple and clear display. The console has few workout programs with 2 very well thought out HIIT intervals. The seat is very comfortable. The position on the bike is natural, like on a normal push bike. It's all rounded up in a good looking and good working package, with no major flaws or significant malfunctions reported. The newest versions of AB900 have improved paint job and gave it some more resistance against corrosion. After 4 years with AB900, I can strongly recommend this piece as a good quality airbike with a very competitive price and after-sales service, making it a good choice for residential and commercial gym. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.